Right now, somewhere, someone is about to eat something sweet, a candy bar, a soda, a slice of cake. It feels harmless, it feels good, but the moment sugar touches your tongue, a chain reaction begins, one that affects not just your body, but your brain, your mood, and your behavior. Today, we're taking another journey inside the human body to discover what really happens when you eat sugar and why it affects more than just your waistline. Let's begin. It starts here, the moment sugar touches your tongue. Special taste receptors detect the sweetness almost instantly. Within milliseconds, a signal fires straight to your brain, and your brain reacts fast because sugar means energy, and for most of human history, energy was hard to come by. Your brain is wired to treat sugar like a reward, so it releases dopamine, the same chemical involved in pleasure, motivation, and craving. This is where the psychological part of this story begins. That small rush of dopamine feels good, and your brain remembers it. It quietly files this moment away as something worth repeating. Meanwhile, the sugar continues its journey. It travels down your esophagus, into your stomach, and into your small intestine, where it's broken down and absorbed directly into your bloodstream. Within minutes, your blood sugar levels begin to rise. Your pancreas notices immediately. It releases insulin, a hormone whose job is to move that sugar out of your blood and into your cells, where it can be used for energy. For a few minutes, you may feel a noticeable lift, more alert, more energized, slightly happier. This is the sugar high people talk about. But your body doesn't like big spikes. It prefers balance. So your pancreas releases insulin aggressively, sometimes more than necessary, trying to bring those rising blood sugar levels back down quickly. And this is where things start to shift. Roughly 30 to 60 minutes after eating sugar, your blood sugar can drop, sometimes below where it started. This is commonly known as a sugar crash. And it doesn't just affect your energy, it affects your mood too. Many people feel a wave of fatigue, irritability, difficulty concentrating. Some people even feel a little anxious or low without understanding why. Your brain, just an hour ago flooded with dopamine, is now navigating a chemical dip. And here's the part most people don't realize. Your brain interprets that dip as a problem to solve. It remembers what fixed this feeling before: sugar. So it nudges you, sometimes subtly, sometimes not, toward eating something sweet again. This is the beginning of a cycle, not necessarily addiction in the clinical sense, but a behavioral loop your brain has learned. Crave it, eat it, feel good, crash, crave it again. Let's go deeper into what's happening inside your liver. If you're consuming large amounts of sugar, especially in the form of fructose, your liver has to work to process it. Some of that sugar gets converted into fat. Over time, consistently high sugar intake can contribute to fat building up in the liver itself. Your liver doesn't complain. It doesn't send pain signals. It just quietly absorbs the extra workload day after day. Now let's check on your blood vessels. Repeated blood sugar spikes over months and years can affect the lining of your blood vessels, making them slightly less flexible over time. Your heart has to work a little harder to push blood through them. None of this happens from one cookie, but your body keeps a running total. Let's return to your brain, because the story there isn't finished. Frequent sugar spikes and crashes can affect more than mood in the moment. Some research suggests that chronic high sugar intake may affect memory and learning over time, particularly in a brain region responsible for forming new memories. Your brain, it turns out, performs best on steady, stable fuel, not constant spikes and crashes. Now let's talk about something many people don't expect: sugar and inflammation. Diets high in added sugar have been linked to increased inflammation throughout the body. And inflammation doesn't just affect joints or skin. Emerging research connects chronic inflammation to mood disorders, including symptoms of depression and anxiety. In other words, what you eat may be quietly shaping not just how your body feels, but how your mind feels too. Let's bring this back to right now, to that first bite. In the moment, sugar feels simple, sweet, enjoyable, satisfying. But inside your body, it sets off a complex chain of events, touching your brain's reward system, your hormones, your liver, your blood vessels, and your mood, all from one small decision. This doesn't mean sugar is the enemy. Your body can handle sugar in moderation just fine. The problems tend to build slowly, through repetition, through the spikes and crashes happening again and again, day after day. Understanding this cycle is powerful because once you see the pattern, the crash, the craving, the dip in mood, you start to realize it's not a personal failing, it's biology. Your brain doing exactly what it evolved to do, responding to a powerful, fast-acting reward signal. The good news is your body adapts quickly in the other direction too. Stabilize your blood sugar and your energy levels even out. Your mood becomes steadier. The cravings that once felt constant often quiet down within just a couple of weeks. Your brain doesn't need convincing, it just needs consistency. So, the next time you reach for something sweet, remember what we just saw. It's not just a snack, it's a signal traveling through your bloodstream into your brain, shaping your energy, your mood, and quietly, your habits. Thank you for joining us on another journey inside the human body. This is Inside Know.